Okay, so I just picked it up. This is the one that you want to get if you want to fast charge your Pixel 9 series of phones, the 45 watt. Oh, hey guy, nice Corvette. Could you stop revving it, please? Anyway, this is the one you want to get. It's on Google's website. I'll link it down below. Boom, there we go. Okay, so my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is officially dead. It is not turning on right there, as you guys can tell. So here is the new 45 watt charger from Google. I liked how the USB-C side is on the side of the charger. So whenever you plug it into a wall, if you're plugging it in, behind a cabinet or something, you're not going to have the USB-C side sticking out further. It's going to be just kind of right there on the side. So that's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and turn off my power strip so we can make this nice and fair. We're going to plug, we're going to plug that in. We're going to take the official USB-C cable or the one that came with the phone, and we're going to plug that in. Now we're going to go over here, plug this into here. Okay, I've plugged it in, and now we're going to start the stopwatch, and I'm going to turn on the power strip, so that way the phone starts charging. And we'll circle back in around 15 minutes, and I'll show you guys what the charge limit is at. And then we'll just keep on going until it gets to 100%. And we'll see if Google's claim of 0 to 70% in 30 minutes is legitimate or not. All right, so we are creeping up on the 15-minute mark, and the Pixel 7, not Pixel 7, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is what I meant to say, is at 35%. I highly doubt in another 15 minutes it's going to get to 70% like Google says. But I guess anything's possible. I do believe in magic. So who knows? I guess we'll find out. I'll come back in another 15 minutes for it to total 30 minutes, and we'll see if it's at 70%. I don't think it will be, but I could be wrong. All right, well, we are creeping up on 30 minutes, and it is at 62%. Honestly, not bad. I did not know it would actually be that close to 70%. Of course, there is a lot of dependencies. For example, Google states that to get the true 70% in 30 minutes, they start charging the phone whenever it's at 1% instead of from completely dead. So that is maybe a couple minutes save right there. But yeah, 63%, 30 minutes, that is what the Google's, the 45 watt charger is going to get you. This charger, from what I know, is going to be the fastest one to charge your Pixel 9 series with. So if you guys want the fastest charge, you do have to get this. If you use some other off-brand chargers, this will take you over an hour to completely charge. So yeah, just do keep that in mind. So 30 minutes and my alarm's going off. So as I was saying, 31 minutes, 64%, not bad. I give that a pass. So if you guys want, again, I'll have a link down below to where you can pick this up.